Throughout history, every leap in manufacturing capability has brought growth in complexity. From the first tools to the Industrial Revolution, from mass production to digital automation. Each advance unlocked new horizons of possibility, but brought with it orders of magnitude more data, more variables, more interdependencies. Today, we stand at an inflection point. Modern manufacturing operates at scales and levels of precision unimaginable a generation ago. Nanometer fabrication, advanced materials, multi-parameter processes running in real time. The complexity has become overwhelming. The data left largely underutilized. Simply put, our ways of working haven't evolved to keep pace with growth in complexity around us. Standing now on the shoulders of greatness, innovators and pioneers, there is another way, capable of processing vast data sets, identifying patterns invisible to human analysis, and optimizing across dimensions beyond our own imagining. AI doesn't just manage complexity, it masters it. Unlocking a new paradigm of industrial superintelligence, building a new generation of toolkit to understand materials, design products, and optimize manufacturing, forging foundations for truly autonomous factories. We are Aris Machina.